In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Hulu account on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in hulu.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Hulu. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now you'll be led to the official website of Hulu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Hulu. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address over here. Click on the field of email address and provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now, after you enter the email, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter the password of your Hulu account and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Hulu on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.